Hey everyone, welcome back to Staff Nurse Entrance Preparation Model Questions Session 13 Part 2 of CTVT Model. आज चाहिँ हामीहरू अगाडि सेसनकै क्वेशनहरु चाहिँ कन्टिन्यू गर्नेछौं, that is from question number 21 to question number 40. So if you haven't watched previous sessions, you can go through the link given in the description box. Also, do hit that subscribe button and let's begin. We go to the tab dot we can fill the pot, so that to, for, even though. So the correct answer is so that. We go to the tab so that we can fill the pot. So that connectives चाहिँ used हुन्छ to link action and purpose. Share these sweets him and me among, on, between, in. So the correct answer is between. किन त between preposition चाहिँ used हुन्छ for two entities being compared. यसमा two entities छ नि, that is him र me. So correct answer भनेको between हो. यदि के रे two भन्दा बढी एन्टिटीजहरु चाहिँ कम्पेयर गरेको छ भने चाहिँ त्यहाँ चाहिँ among युज हुन्छ. तर according to questions चाहिँ हाम्रोमा चाहिँ share these sweets between him and me चाहिँ हुन्छ. He said I was watching TV. Its indirect speech is he said that I was watching TV. He said that he were watching TV. He said that I had been watching TV. He said that he had been watching TV. So the correct answer is he said that he had been watching TV. किन त यदि डाइरेक्ट स्पीचमा चाहिँ पास्ट कन्टिन्युअस छ, that is subject plus was were plus verb छ भने यसको इन्डाइरेक्ट चाहिँ कस्तो हुन्छ त past perfect continuous, that is had been plus verb 4. So correct answer चाहिँ के रहेछ त he said that he had been watching TV. The victim before the doctor arrived died, has died, dies, had died. So the correct answer is had died. किन त past perfect चाहिँ used हुन्छ with before, after, as soon as, until, when, what, that पछाडि चाहिँ यदि simple past छ भने सधैँ त्यसको अगाडि के हुन्छ त past perfect, that is had plus verb 3. So correct answer is had died. A child is weeping ... Isn't it? Isn't a child? Is it? Does it? So the correct answer is isn't it. किन त यदि this, that, baby, child, something, anything, nothing, everything त्यस्तोहरु छ भने चाहिँ हामीले सधैँ as a tag मा चाहिँ it use गर्नुपर्छ. So a child is weeping को के भयो त tag questions isn't it. The passive of people say that elephants never forget is it is said that elephants never forget. It is said that people never forget elephants. Elephants are never forgotten by people. It is said that elephants are never forgotten. So the correct answer is it is said that elephants never forget. I said to my friend, help me in checking the accounts can be reported as I requested my friend to help me in checking the accounts. I requested to my friend to help me in checking the accounts. I said to my friend to help me in checking the accounts. I told to help me in checking the accounts. So the correct answer is I requested my friend to help me in checking the accounts. He, along with his friends, going to Pokhara, has, are, where, is. So the correct answer is he. He, along with his friends, is going to Pokhara. किन त he पछाडि along with अथवा as well as not including छ भने चाहिँ हामीले first को subject दिनुपर्छ, that is he. The antonym of zenith is repose, resist, stupidity, nadir. So the correct answer is nadir. Zenith भनेको चाहिँ peak point हो भने nadir भनेको चाहिँ के हो त lowest हो of anything. So correct answer भनेको nadir हो. Don't get off the bus until it is stationary, 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 stationary. यसमा चाहिँ के डिफरेन्स छ भन्दाखेरि स्पेलिङ चाहिँ डिफरेन्स छ है. So correct answer भनेको चाहिँ के हो त B को STATIONARY है. यो भनेको चाहिँ के हो त not moving. So don't get off the bus until it is stationary. अनि फर्स्ट को STATIONARY भनेको चाहिँ के हो त हामीले युज गर्ने पेन, पेन्सिलहरु, स्टेशनरी आइटम्स भन्छ नि त्यो हो. They didn't climb the mountain the snow because so that because of though. So the correct answer is because of. किन त because of connective चाहिँ सधैँ used हुन्छ to join the statement or reason. जब reason चाहिँ noun phrase हुन्छ त्यो भनेको the snow. त्यही भएर correct answer पनि के रहेछ त because of. They didn't climb the mountain because of the snow. Don't go out ... you are permitted without unless so that because. So the correct answer is unless. Don't go out unless you are permitted. Pramila, stand up ... doesn't see, didn't see, will you, can we. So the correct answer is will you. यदि command छ भने चाहिँ त्यसको सधैँ tag चाहिँ will you भनेर हुन्छ. What would happen if a ... while you are going out with umbrella rains, has rained, was raining, rained. So the correct answer is rained. What would happen if it rained while you are going out with umbrella? Let the poor ... by the officials. Helped, help, helps, be helped. So the correct answer is be helped. Let the poor be helped by the officials. Each of the wounded soldiers ... given first aid. Where, are, was, have been. So the correct answer is was. किन त each of, either of, neither of, none of, everyone of, any of पछाडि चाहिँ सधैँ singular verb use गर्नुपर्छ. So correct answer भनेको was हो. Each of the wounded soldiers was given first aid. Let us play the game ... shall you, do you, will you, don't you. So the correct answer is will you. Let us play the game. Will you. Command अथवा let पछाडि चाहिँ हामीले सधैँ tag question चाहिँ will you use गर्नुपर्छ भने यदि त्यहाँ let's play the game भएको भए चाहिँ tag questions के हुन्थ्यो त shall we हुन्थ्यो है. They listened to me very carefully ... they didn't understand anything but although, however, and. So the correct answer is however. However connective चाहिँ सधैँ used हुन्छ where the result of first sentence चाहिँ quite opposite हुन्छ to the second sentence. So connectives however चाहिँ correct answer हो. They listened to me very carefully, however they didn't understand anything. ... a servant to clean the room. Got, make, get, have. So the correct answer is get. Get a servant to clean the room. किन त यदि agent plus 2 plus verb 1 हुन्छ भने त्यसको अगाडि के युज हुन्छ त causative verb get. So correct answer पनि get भयो. Unless you grease his palm, he will not listen to you. Grease his palm भनेको चाहिँ के हो त flatter him, abuse him, bribe him or beat him. So the correct answer is bribe him. यदि कुनै पनि फ्रेजमा चाहिँ grease his palm अथवा oil his palm छ भने चाहिँ त्यसको मिनिङ भनेको चाहिँ के हो त to bribe someone. So यसमा चाहिँ correct answer के रहेछ त bribe him. That's it for today's session. We practiced 20 sets of questions जुन चाहिँ इङ्ग्लिसको थियो of CTBT model. Next 20 sets of questions will be uploaded on coming Tuesday. So stay tuned, do hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in upcoming videos. Till then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.